This is air-conditioned cabin which lies inside the dashboard of E60 5 Series, and I just got it from the junkyard. So I thought just to take it apart. I don't have E60 cars with me, but just for my understanding, and I took it off from the junkyard. I thought to take the motors and whatever available in it. So this one is a fresh air pod which will open to get fresh air, and this side is for heating. Heating coil is there inside that, and this one is the evaporator side which cools the AC, basically AC itself, which cools the entire car. So this is the vent for the fresh air from outside. Everything is actuated by single type of motor. All the motors are having the same part number. There are a total of 8 motors. So I'm just gonna start with removing the temperature sensor in the passenger side and driver side, depends on country to country. So this is the temperature sensor. You can hardly see that, right? The part number is really difficult to read, but this one is probably common for all the cars, not only BMW. So basically there are 2 temperature sensors in both sides, the passenger side and the driver side. Then comes the heating coil and the motors. So this one is the vent controlling motors. There is a clip on there. You just press it and pull it a little bit, then push the motor towards the clip side. It's really easy. This was the first time that I was doing, so that's the reason you find me in difficulty getting it out, but it's really simple. There is a hole in there, and the motor has protrusion outside. It's just locking into that position. Because the video was on, I was not able to see that. Actually, you don't have to use a flathead to do this. You see that protrusion, you have to just pull it out from there. There is a stopper in there. The vent can go up and down, and there is a limiter for that. So that is how it works. According to the signal from the controlling unit, the motors are being actuated. And the flap in here is the big one, which I guess is to the windshield. Whether it is heating, probably this one will be for heating because heating coil is next to it. This is the motor, which has 2 pins, and it's not 2 pins, sorry, 3 pins, and it's common for all the vents. And when we take the motor apart from the gear section, like it will be just like this. You'll be able to freely move the, the actuator part just by turning. When the motor is there, you won't be able to turn it with your fingers easily. So I can see just 2 gears in there. There might be more if you break it. So these are controlling the vents. So that's a mechanism. pretty easy, and we're gonna remove everything and see what else are there within this compartment. All right, just fast forwarding in many parts. You can just watch for more information. Oh, okay. I'm gonna throw all these things. Don't need it. I'll be just taking the motors. Okay, this clip is what you're gonna remove, which is holding to the inner part. So you have to just press in here, remove it, like lift it up. After pressing, you just lift it up and pull the motor towards the connector bolt, just like this. Okay. Two pin for like the evaporator temperature sensor. So we'll just try pulling it out. It's my flathead, and we'll just fry it up. Want to see what sensor it is. Oops, got it out. So here is another temperature sensor, and probably because of this sensor we might be getting wrong information, and this might be the reason why it's blowing hot air, because as you can see it's pretty much dusty, and the signal which it passes can be wrong. These were really clean when I took it out. I think for the temperature which comes out to the passenger and driver side. Anyways, I'm gonna just open everything up as much I can. These are clips, locking clips, which can be removed, I guess. Yeah, these are just lock clips. Yeah, there is a screw in here, that's why. As this is the first time I'm taking these things out, it came out. Okay, so that is a heating coil. I don't know if any leaks come in here. Who will repair it? See, here is the blower motor as well. Oof, this is for your location. So this is where it's located. So guess how difficult it will be if your blower motor goes away. Just slide in. Wow, this one is the resistor which controls the motor, and this one is the real motor. Let me see the carbon brushes. So these are, I don't know how are you able to see these brushes. Yeah, this one is a carbon brush, this one, and it still has some, so it should work for a while. And for replacing this particular motor, you wanna take the whole unit out. It's ridiculous. vent, which is actuated by the motor, will just open and close just like this, and it's also having a rubber edge so that it can close completely for complete closure of air coming in. So that's it for that part. Now we're gonna remove the parts. And here, where is the evaporator? You can see the BMW model, BMW E60 high. That's the whole assembly. So you have to remove the entire part to get the evaporator out, and this one is the evaporator. It's pretty heavy, and this one is a genuine one from BMW, and it's supplied by Behar. So Behar is the OEM. This one is the valve. So I'll be just taking the valve, and rest everything I'll be crashing from this part. Okay, see this. This one is a valve. So that's it. This is just for information purpose, as I told you earlier. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a good day.